There are 3 things that kill your search for the right credit union every single time.
Yes.
Pain point number 1, you find a credit union with great rates, but then you find out you have to live in a specific state. Look, you locked out before you even start.
Okay, let's talk about pain point number 2.
Okay.
You find one that's open to anyone, but the credit limits are tiny.
Right.
We're talking $5,000, $10,000. Not the kind of money that changes your life.
And pain point number 3, Navy Federal is the only one that you hear about with real ceilings, but if you don't have military in your family, the door is already closed, guys.
But today, we're showing you one credit union that solves all 3 of those issues.
Right.
Anyone can join in the United States. Membership costs you $35, and there's a combined credit ceiling that goes up to $200,000, Money Magnet. The credit union is Tower Federal Credit Union, Money Magnets. It's headquartered in Maryland. They've been around since 1953, and that's a long time.
All right, before anyone in the comments says this, I know you don't live in Maryland. I called Tower directly. I verified the nationwide path. You join a $35 donation with TowerCares Foundation. That's their charitable arm, and it allows anyone in the United States to join.
And later in this video, Marvin and I are going to walk you through every single personal product that Tower offers. And one of them has a $200,000 ceiling that nobody on YouTube is talking about. So stick around for that.
All right, let's start out with credit card number 1. We're talking about Tower's flagship card. It's the Empower MasterCard.
Yes.
All right, the APR runs prime plus 7.4 to 12.74. But here's the kicker. They're running a 0% intro for 6 months on balance transfers made in the first 60 days. The balance transfer fee is 2.5, but credit limits go from 1,000 all the way up to 30,000, guys.
Okay, Marvin, let's jump into credit card number 2, the Tower Worldwide MasterCard, okay? So you get $100 intro cashback offer when you spend $1,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of opening the account.
Right.
They have a low intro at 1.99% APR on all purchases for the first year. After that, it goes up to 14.49%. all the way up to 17.99% variable APR. And the limits range from $5,000 all the way up to $30,000.
All right, credit card number 3 is the Tower Gold MasterCard. This is their 1% cashback card. Not a lot of frills, just a low rate card with cashback.
Okay, now let's talk about the credit limit. They range from $1,000 all the way up to $30,000 for all cards with no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees. That's a cash flow changer.
And stop, guys. Navy Federal only has like one card that goes over 25,000. So this already shows that it's better than Navy Federal. Anybody can join. If you didn't know a credit card APR could be capped at 17.99, I need you guys to subscribe right now. Ring the bell, because every Thursday and Sunday we drop a credit union, a bank, or a lender that the big banks don't want you to see. This is the channel for you guys to stick with.
Okay, Marvin, now let's talk about the personal loan side. The Signature personal loan, it's unsecured, Money Magnets, no collateral. Use it for debt consolidation, paying your medical bills, a wedding, maybe an emergency.
Right.
But verified approvals are running in the 5,000 range for qualified borrowers.
That's nice.
Okay, drop Tower in the comments if you didn't know that this credit union exists. We're tagging every approval story on the next live.
Now let's talk about the line of credit. All right, Tower runs a personal line of credit as a revolving product. You draw what you need, you pay it back. Guess what? You could draw it again. You get a lower rate than a credit card because it's underwritten differently. But I want you guys to realize, when you're looking at a line of credit, they're probably going to ask you for docs. It's one of the hardest products that credit unions offer, to qualify for.
Most definitely. And this is the move for an emergency fund.
Right.
You set it up before you need it.
And wait until we tell you about the HELOC, because the HELOC at Tower is where this video earns its title. We're talking about $200,000 territory. It's coming up in a few seconds, guys, so hold on.
Okay, but Marvin, let's do a quick stop on the auto loans before we do the HELOC. Y'all know how I feel about auto loans. Tower does new auto, used auto, and they refinance auto loans as well. If you're financing through a dealer right now and you're paying about 9 to 10%,
right,
you need to look at refinancing with Tower because it could drop you 3 to 5 points.
And here's the bonus. Tower offers a 0.25% rate discount when you set up automatic payments from a Tower checking account. Look, sounds like a small thing, but over a 5-year loan, we're talking about real money. And if you want to let them know that you want a relationship, guys, make sure you set up a checking account.
Okay, Money Magnets, what I need you to do is comment auto if you're financing your car right now at about 8%. We're going to feature the best stories on next week's live.
All right, Gloria. Now let's jump into this home equity product.
Okay.
This is what nobody on YouTube is talking about. Look, Tower's home equity line of credit, the HELOC, we're talking about 100% LTV for qualified buyers. I would say you got to have a 720 above to even qualify for that product.
Okay, but the APR is capped at 18% maximum.
Right.
Closing costs typically cost you between $5,000 to $3,000.
Right.
But guess what, Money Magnets? Tower will pay them on your behalf. But you have to keep the line open for 24 months or repay.
And I want you guys to realize a HELOC can help you start a business as long as you got a good plan. And one cardholder review, I read it directly. They said they're the only lender that will do that rate above $200,000 credit line. In addition, they got the HELOC done in 35 days from application to closing, which is pretty incredible for a HELOC that's over $200,000 or even in that range. Now we're talking about 100% LTV on the HELOC for a credit union you join for $35. Look, I need y'all to drop the fire emoji if your jaw just dropped. We read all the comments, guys.
Okay, but Money Magnets, here's how you stack to $200,000 in combined personal credit with Tower.
Right.
You do the Empire MasterCard.
Right.
It goes up to $30,000 for qualified borrowers, so keep that in mind. Personal line of credit up to $30,000. And don't forget the auto loan.
And if you own a home, the HELOC pushes you well past $200,000 on its own. That's how anyone in the U.S. for $35 in the TowerCares Foundation membership, that's how you can end up with a 6-figure credit profile at this particular credit union. And every product is at credit union rates, which means they're low, guys.
Okay, Money Magnets, I need you to drop ready in the comments if you're applying at Tower this week.
All right, guys. Now, for the 700 FICO group, look, if you're at 700 credit score or higher and you want to stack Tower with 2 or 3 other credit unions or lenders for a 6-figure combined profile without crashing out on your personal credit profile, Gloria and I are inviting you to a business strategy call on Zoom.
Okay, Money Magnets, this is a 700 plus FICO only call. Keep that in mind. We don't take it below that. We need you to work on your credit first and then call us, because this score is where we can actually build a real stack and move 6-figure money without burning your personal credit score.
All right, guys, remember 700 up, book the call, link in the description. I'll make sure I put a pinned comment at the top. Below 700, guys, don't book this call. Build your score, watch the next video, and guess what? Come back when you're ready, because Gloria and I, we're going to still be here.
Okay, before we let you go, one more problem. A lot of you watching want to know, okay, Tower is great for big picture credit.
Right.
But what about the fast approval personal credit cards from, a major bank?
Yeah.
Where do I go for the $25,000 in 5 minutes?
All right, guys, that's the video on the screen right now. TD Bank versus PNC. Which one gives 680 bars, 25,000 credit cards faster? Look, we're going to do a direct head-to-head comparison, soft pull strategy, speed test, and we're going to give you the one question that bumps the algorithm approval all the way up to 25,000 manual review. Look, click that thumbnail before you forget, and remember, let's get to the money!
And we're here to help empower your finances.